2008 Hyundai Elantra with the 2-liter inline 4-cylinder, and today we're doing oil change. Let's get to it. Over at our computer, you can see that it requires 4.23 quarts, and the oil selection is quite vast. 5W20, 5W30, GF3 or above, 10W30 above 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, underneath the vehicle, right here in the front, you will find your oil filter, and right here in the back you will find your drain plug. It is a 17 millimeter. While that's draining, let's go ahead and move the oil pan back a little bit, or the oil catch can, I mean. Remove our oil filter. Give it a good spin. That's hot. With your oil filter removed, go ahead and check your O-ring right here, or your oil filter gasket. Make sure that no pieces are missing from it. Double check the housing that the oil filter connects to. Ensure that there is no debris in way of your new oil filter being installed. And with that oily hand, go ahead and oil up that new O-ring. And put that new filter down just hand tight. With the oil finished draining, go ahead and put a drain plug back in. Grab your 17 millimeter and just give it a good whack. That's it. And of course, once everything is buttoned up underneath, come in here with some brake clean. Spray down everywhere that you worked, i.e. the oil filter and the oil drain plug. So that way, next time you're working on this vehicle, if you see oil in those areas, you know that you have a possible oil leak and not that you just left a mess. Alright, back up top side, remove your oil cap. That's out of the way. And go ahead and fill up your oil. Or I'm sorry, fill up your engine with oil. And then place your cap down. And make sure it's on tight.